Happy Tech Tip Tuesday to you. Doctor's in the house again. Brian here from Hospice Equipment. Today we're gonna be going over the dead man switch pedal, or that's what we call the dead man switch, or your foot pedal when you're up in the basket. Sometimes if you leave your foot on that pedal and then you're thinking about what you want to do because you're not maybe too familiar with the controls, after a couple seconds delay, you go to do something, it doesn't work. And what it is they're telling the computer system, hey, there could be something wrong with this person. Basically, it's a safety override feature. You leave your foot on that pedal for more than a couple seconds, it will cut out. So basically, just lift your foot off, reset, and then go do what you want to do. So, next clip, I'll go up in the platform and just show you what that looks like real quick. Again, foot switch safety feature, really, essentially, let you know what you want to do. So here on the platform, I'm just going to do this with my hand. Is your foot pedal switch. You push down on that to engage. Just do a quick little scan just so you can see where it's at. Here on the floor of this machine. It doesn't, again, manufacturer's a little bit different, but they all should have a pedal here. So when you want to go do something, you put your foot down to engage it. But if you leave it down too long and you don't do anything, it's going to cut out and not allow you to do anything. So basically just take your foot off the pedal, put your foot down, and go hit the operation that you want to do. Just be mindful, especially if you're a newer operator, that it could be a simple basic error, and it will show up on the computer system, and it will show that it was an operator error or not, just so you know. Thank you for tuning in this week's Tech Tip Tuesday regarding I call it the dead man switch, operator switch, safety feature, foot pedal there, whatever nickname you want to call it. Any delays on that, then you go to operate it, will shut you down. So just keep in mind. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking this video. Like, subscribe. Let me know how I can help you and your team out. And I appreciate you. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.